Welcome to our interview preparation series, and today's question is, I see there's a gap in your resume. A thoughtful answer can demonstrate your resilience, adaptability, and commitment to professional growth. What is the importance of the question? Interviewers ask this question to know the reasons behind the gap and how you use that time. Let us understand how to answer this question. First, be honest and transparent about the gap. This shows integrity and builds trust with the interviewer. Next, explain the reason for the gap, whether it was due to personal reasons, health issues, further education, or something else. Provide a brief but clear explanation. Then, highlight any productive activity you undertook during the gap. This can include volunteering, freelancing, taking courses, or other way you stayed engaged and continued learning. Finally, show how you stayed updated with industry trends and continue to develop your skills. This demonstrates your commitment to professional growth. Do's: be honest. Showcase your learning, course, certifications, etc. Be confident. Don'ts: avoid over-explaining. Don't be defensive. Let's put it all together with an example. I took a break from my career to care for an unwell family member. During that time, I was associated with a non-profit organization and gained experience in project management and community outreach. I also completed an online certification course in digital marketing to stay updated with industry trends. This period allowed me to develop new skills and gain valuable experiences that I believe will be beneficial in this role. And that's it. Remember, be honest and transparent, explain the reason for the gap, highlight productive activities, and show how you stayed updated. Practicing your response will help you deliver it confidently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below with your own tips or questions. Thank you.